Today on GitHub, 25 projects are trending. First up, do you find setting up a proxy on Linux frustrating and time-consuming? Clash for Linux install with almost 11,000 stars, and yes, the content is in Chinese, but I'll translate it for you, aims to simplify this process. It offers a one-click installation for the Mahomo and Clash proxy kernels, compatible with both root and regular user environments. The script automatically detects your system architecture and port usage, then downloads the correct dependencies and sets up service management. You can easily manage your proxy with simple commands like /ctl on and off to start or stop the environment and sync your system settings. It even includes a web panel for a visual interface. Are you a student trying to learn research skills without clear guidance? Pengseeda's Learning Research with almost 11,000 stars offers a written guide for lab members and beyond. This repository provides a detailed framework for setting long-term goals, planning your roadmap, and mastering key skills like problem finding, writing, and presentation. It includes slides and video resources to help you practice and apply these methods effectively. The content is structured to help you move from beginner to top PhD student based on real lab experience. Do you ever get frustrated with the performance overhead of asynchronous database calls in Node.js? Better-sqlite3, with almost 8,000 stars, offers a blazing fast synchronous API for SQLite. It provides full transaction support and high performance, using a simple synchronous approach that actually improves concurrency. You get easy-to-use functions for queries, updates, and even user-defined extensions. It handles 64-bit integers seamlessly and supports worker threads for heavy queries. This library is built for developers who need raw speed and reliability without the complexity of an asynchronous layer. It is a trusted tool used by thousands daily, aiming to be the simplest and fastest choice for SQLite in Node.js. Do you ever want to study classic machine learning algorithms from scratch to really understand how they work? Weeb's MachineLearning repo with nearly 6,000 stars is a collection of implementations for common algorithms. It includes code for deep learning concepts like keras usage, CNN models for face recognition, and multi-layer perceptrons. You will also find classic methods like PCA and k-nearest neighbors, all explained with detailed articles. The project focuses on learning, so you can read the Chinese code comments and follow the tutorials to build your own understanding step by step. Tired of juggling multiple AI tools in separate tabs just to get your work done? lollms-webui with nearly 5,000 stars brings all your language and multimodal AI models into one clean interface. It is a local, single-user web interface designed to handle text, images, and even music generation from one place. You can access it entirely offline, keeping your data private while you write, code, or analyze images. The tool supports many models and aims to be a simple hub for all your AI tasks without any hassle. It even has tutorials to help you get started with advanced features like function calls. Does your Windows PC feel sluggish even when you have plenty of RAM installed? WinMemoryCleaner, with almost 5,000 stars, is a free tool that uses native Windows features to optimize memory. It targets areas where programs fail to release memory, which can improve performance. The app is portable, requires no installation, but it does need administrator privileges to run. You can set it to clean memory automatically on a schedule or when free RAM drops below a threshold. It also pins its window on top and checks for updates daily. This makes it a straightforward utility for keeping your system responsive without much effort. Tired of manually managing your local AI models and servers through a graphical interface? LM Studio CLI with almost 4,500 stars gives you a powerful command line tool to control everything. It lets you check status, start and stop your local API server, and list all your downloaded or loaded models. You can even get that list in a machine-readable JSON format for easy scripting. The tool ships with newer versions of LM Studio, and you can run a simple command to install it and add it to your system path. For any subcommand, just add the help flag to see all the details you need. Do you ever need a quick place to test a snippet of code without opening a full IDE? Boop, with nearly 5,000 stars, is a scriptable scratchpad built for exactly that. This tool lets you write and run small scripts right in a simple window, making it perfect for quick calculations or data transformations. You can download it from GitHub or the Mac App Store, and if you want to contribute, you can even build it from source. It is designed to be a lightweight companion for developers who need a fast, flexible workspace. The documentation helps you get started with custom scripts, so you can tailor it to your own workflow. Do your coding agents just start writing code without really understanding what you need? Superpowers, with almost 120,000 stars, is a framework that gives your agents a smarter workflow. It begins by having your agent step back and ask clarifying questions to extract a real specification. Then it presents that spec back to you in digestible chunks for your approval. After you sign off, the agent creates a clear implementation plan focused on true test-driven development and avoiding unnecessary features. When you finally say go, it launches a sub-agent-driven process where specialized agents work through each engineering task. This turns chaotic coding into a structured, collaborative development cycle. Tired of keyboard layouts that force your hands into awkward positions all day? Miryoku, with nearly 4,000 stars, is an ergonomic, minimal, and universal layout designed to fix that. It provides a single, consistent layout that works across different keyboard firmwares like QMK and ZMK. The goal is to reduce strain and increase efficiency without clutter. You can implement it on many popular keyboard systems. It aims to be a truly universal solution for a more comfortable typing experience. Ever wished your language model could think more deeply before answering, just like a human? Entropix, with almost 3,500 stars, aims to do exactly that. This research project uses entropy to make context-aware sampling for better results. It simulates reasoning processes during inference time using an inference stack and a sampler. The goal is to get much better results using this compute method. The author notes it is a work in process and plans a user interface later. You can reach out on X with questions. Now the team needs to test multi-GPU deployments and larger models to see the full potential. Do you want to build beautiful native Windows apps with Flutter, but need the right UI components? Fluent UI, with almost 3,500 stars, is an unofficial implementation of Microsoft's WinMemory 3 for Flutter. It lets you design apps that follow native Windows design guidelines, similar to Material or Cupertino. The package is open source and written based on official documentation, making it a reliable choice for fidelity. Since Flutter now has stable Windows support, this tool fills a key gap for developers. You can install it easily by adding it to your project dependencies. It's maintained by a single developer, so contributions are welcome to help it grow. Do you want to learn Rust but feel overwhelmed by scattered tutorials and resources? Microsoft RustTraining, with almost 10,000 stars, is a structured curriculum for all skill levels. It combines original content with ideas from the best Rust resources into 7 detailed courses. You will find deep dives on async, advanced patterns, and engineering practices. This material is technically accurate and aims to weave together knowledge from books, blogs, and talks. It is dual licensed under MIT and Creative Commons for open use. Ever struggled to build a low-code platform that stays perfectly in sync with your actual codebase? Tango, with almost 3,500 stars, is a source code-based low-code builder that lets you develop low-code apps directly on your code. It uses the source code abstract syntax tree, so there is no private domain-specific language or protocol. You get real-time code generation that supports source code in and source code out. It provides an out-of-the-box front-end designer with flexible React components. Everything is written in TypeScript with complete type definitions. You can build internal app, dashboard, mobile, and email builders. It is tested in production at NetEase Cloud Music and can integrate into your own tools. Does keeping up with fast-moving tech trends feel like a full-time job? The last 30 days skill, with almost 11,000 stars, is an AI agent that does the research for you. It scans sources like Reddit, X, YouTube, Hacker News, and the web from the last 30 days. It finds what the community is actually upvoting, sharing, or betting on. Then it synthesizes a grounded summary with real citations. You just ask about any topic, from new AI tools to coding techniques. This helps you stay informed without doom scrolling. The latest version even adds blue sky and a comparative mode for side-by-side analysis. Do you ever wish you could ship code like a whole team without actually hiring one? Gary Tan's gstack, with almost 55,000 stars, offers his exact Claude Code setup with 15 opinionated tools. It acts as your CEO, designer, engineering manager, release manager, doc engineer, and QA all at once. Gary Tan built this after shipping over 600,000 lines of production code in just 60 days. The system is designed to let a single builder move faster than a traditional team. It provides a complete, opinionated workflow for shipping complex products solo. This tool essentially turns one person into a full development department. Tired of wrestling with complex YAML and kubectl to deploy your apps on Kubernetes? Canine, with almost 3,000 stars, is a developer-friendly PaaS that brings Heroku-like simplicity to your own cluster. It lets you deploy with a simple git push and manage everything through an intuitive web interface. You connect your GitHub or GitLab repository, and Canine builds your Docker images and handles the entire pipeline automatically. Unlike hosted solutions, you keep full control over your infrastructure, running it on any Kubernetes cluster you choose. It is a self-hosted platform that makes Kubernetes deployment feel simple again. Do you struggle to optimize your AI coding agent's performance and memory? The everything-claude-code repo, with nearly 111,000 stars, aims to be a complete performance optimization system. It provides skills, instincts, memory management, and security scanning for agents like Claude Code and Codex. This system evolved from daily use building real products over 10 months. It is not just configs, but a production-ready setup with hooks and commands. You can use it across various AI harnesses for research-first development. The repo focuses on token optimization, continuous learning, and parallelization for better results. Ever wanted to trace how specific features in a language model actually influence each other? Circuit Tracer, with almost 3,000 stars, is a library for finding and visualizing circuits in models using transcoder features. It finds attribution graphs showing the direct effect between features and output logics. It also lets you visualize these graphs and annotate them. You can even intervene on features to see how model output changes. Start with their tutorial notebook or use it directly on Neuronpedia without installation. This tool makes model interpretability much more concrete and actionable. Do you ever wish validating Rust structs was less of a manual chore? Meet Validator, with almost 2,500 stars, a simple tool for Rust validation. It uses macros to derive validation rules directly on your structs, inspired by Django and Marshmallow. You can check emails, URLs, string lengths, number ranges, and even write custom validators. Just add the crate with the derive feature, annotate your fields, and call validate. It integrates cleanly with CERD for deserializing and validating data in one step. This keeps your code clean and your data safe without extra boilerplate. Tired of juggling multiple Twitch chat windows and losing track of conversations? Chatterino 2, with almost 3,000 stars, is a dedicated chat client just for Twitch. It lets you consolidate all your Twitch chats into one clean, customizable interface, so you can follow every conversation without the clutter. You can download it directly from their website or install it with package managers like Chocolatey on Windows. The tool also handles nightly builds for the latest features and even provides guidance for building it from source if you are into that. It's a straightforward solution for anyone who spends serious time in Twitch chat and wants a more organized experience. Do you need to connect a C++ application to a real-time server but struggle to find a reliable client library? Socket.io client for C++ with almost 2,400 stars provides a modern C++11 implementation. It works across several platforms, including iOS, Qt, and console applications. The tool features automatic JSON encoding, binary support, and multiplexing, with an API similar to the JavaScript client. You can connect to a server with just a few lines of code, and it supports modern installation methods like CMake and Conan. While it currently only uses WebSocket transport, it is a solid choice for integrating real-time features into your C++ projects. Tired of digging through scattered links to find quality resources on self-driving cars? The awesome autonomous vehicles list with almost 3,000 stars gathers everything you need in one place. It is a curated collection inspired by the awesome project style, covering foundations, courses, papers, and research labs. You will find datasets, open-source software, and even hardware recommendations. The list also includes companies, media, and legal resources to keep you informed. Contributions are welcome, so you can submit pull requests to add new links. This is a practical starting point for anyone serious about autonomous vehicle development. Do you struggle to test distributed transaction patterns in your Java applications? Apache-Seata-Samples with almost 2,500 stars provides ready-to-use examples for various transaction models. This repository organizes sample projects into clear directories like TCC sample and Saga sample. Each sample is independent with its own dependencies. You can explore patterns for account, storage, order, and business services. The project links to official documentation for a quick start. It is a practical way to learn and experiment with complex transactions in a real code environment. Ever wished you could describe a music idea and have an AI instantly build it in your DAW? Ableton-mcp with almost 2,400 stars connects Claude AI directly to Ableton Live. It lets you control your entire session through simple prompts. You can create tracks, load instruments, edit MIDI clips, and even start playback just by talking to Claude. The tool uses a socket-based server for two-way communication between the AI and your music software. It essentially turns your natural language commands into precise actions inside Ableton. This makes music production feel more conversational and less about clicking through menus. It is a powerful bridge for prompt-assisted music creation and session control.